If you're worried that AI might replace you, you're focusing on the wrong thing. In this episode, I'll tell you who the real threat actually is, and it's not AI. AI is no longer a future prediction. It's already baked into the tools you use, the expectations you feel, and the speed of work around you. Some people are excited, some are overwhelmed, and some are quietly panicking, wondering, is AI going to take my job? But the truth is much more nuanced and much more empowering. AI isn't here to erase your career. It's here to reshape it, and in many cases, elevate it if you know how to navigate the shift. So in this episode, we're going to break down how AI is actually changing the tasks inside your job, why expectations are rising, not shrinking, the roles affected most, and the skills that make you future-proof. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Work Chat. Today we're talking about something that's reshaping every industry, every job description, and every career path in real time, how Gen AI is affecting our jobs and what you need to do to stay ahead. First of all, AI isn't replacing everyone, it's redefining everyone's job. The biggest misconception right now is that AI will replace entire jobs overnight. But what we're actually seeing is this. Jobs aren't disappearing, but job tasks are. Roles aren't going away, but roles are being redesigned. Think of every job as a bundle of tasks. Some tasks are repetitive, some analytical, some relational, some creative. AI is excellent at handling the repetitive and analytical parts, but humans, we're exceptional at the empathetic, strategic, relational parts. So instead of, will AI take my job? The better framing is, which parts of my job will AI take and which parts will become more valuable? This shift is happening everywhere. Marketers are using AI to write first drafts. Analysts are automating data cleaning. Designers are generating concept images in seconds. Customer service teams are using AI to solve routine questions. AI becomes the first draft, first pass, first layer, and humans bring judgment, clarity, and leadership on top of it. This means the real winners won't be the ones who fear AI, they'll be the ones who use it. Here's the part no one really talks about. When AI speeds up work, expectations rise too. If something used to take 3 hours and now takes 20 minutes, nobody's going to clap because you saved 2 hours. In fact, they'll expect deeper analysis, better strategy, stronger insights, more creativity, and more options. AI doesn't lower the bar, it raises it. This means the modern employee needs to shift from execution to elevation. You're no longer valued for doing tasks. You're valued for your taste, your judgment, your strategic thinking, your communication, your leadership, your ability to make decisions, and your creativity. AI handles the work. You handle the why and how. That's the future of high performers. You might be wondering, are there certain types of jobs that AI will transform the most? AI doesn't impact everyone equally. Some roles will see small changes, others will get completely rewritten. Here are the job categories being reshaped the fastest. 1. Information-heavy roles. Jobs that involve writing, summarizing, analyzing, or synthesizing information are being redefined. For example, we're talking about project managers, data analysts, content creators, HR, recruiting, customer support, legal and compliance, etc. But instead of being replaced, these roles are becoming AI super users because they know how to prompt, refine, orchestrate, and quality check AI output. 2. Creative jobs. AI is now your creative partner, not your competitor. It can generate ideas, create mood boards, draft scripts, produce rough visuals, and remix audio, but it still needs direction, taste, and storytelling, and humans are unmatched there. 3. Operational and administrative roles. Scheduling, processing forms, preparing decks, drafting emails. AI does all of this extremely well. People in these roles will evolve into workflow designers, AI orchestrators, operations strategists, or automation supervisors. Less paperwork, more decision-making. 4. Technical roles. AI can write code, but it can't architect systems. It can't think through edge cases. It can't fix operational breakpoints. Developers become problem framers, quality controllers, system architects, prompt engineers. AI writes code. Humans write the logic behind it. Next, let me share the part that every professional needs to hear. AI doesn't make human skills less valuable. It makes them more valuable. Let's break down the top skills that will matter in the Gen AI era. 1. Strategic thinking, the ability to connect dots, see patterns, and make informed decisions. AI can produce options, but you choose direction. 2. Communication. Clear, concise communication becomes a power skill. Why? Because more work becomes cross-functional, fast-paced, and collaborative. If you sound vague or confusing, you slow everything down. 3. Problem framing. The ability to ask the right question is now more valuable than knowing the right answer. AI can generate solutions, but only if the human frames the problem correctly. 4. Emotional intelligence. Influence, trust, relationships, conflict resolution, these are human-only skills. AI can't build trust. You can. 5. Adaptability and learning agility. The people who thrive are the ones who can pick up new tools, adjust workflows, and evolve quickly. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who refuse to evolve. So what does all of this mean for your job, your career, your future? Here are a few truths you need to take seriously. First of all, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might. If you're resisting new tools, someone else is becoming 5x faster using them. Learn them before you're forced to. Second, you need to become AI literate. Not a coder, not an engineer. You just need to know what AI is good at, what it's bad at, how to prompt it, how to check its output, and how to combine human work with AI work. This alone puts you ahead of most people. Third, your role will evolve. The sooner you expect change, the easier it becomes to lead through it. Your job is not to protect your old responsibilities, it's to evolve your value. Finally, your visibility matters more. When work moves faster, leaders need people they can trust. You must show your thinking, your collaboration, your decision-making. Visibility plus skill equals opportunity. AI doesn't change that, it amplifies it. So here's the takeaway. AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to take the tasks you didn't want anyway. Your job becomes higher value. Your thinking becomes more important. Your creativity becomes irreplaceable. Your leadership becomes the differentiator. The real question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, am I growing fast enough to stay ahead? And if you are, there's no limit to what you can do. That's a wrap for today's episode of the Work Chat. If this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone preparing for the future of work. And tell us in the comments, what's the part of your job you'd love for AI to take over? See you in the next episode.